Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let us see how to use order by clause in SQL to sort the results of a query. Well, the order by clause is used to sort the result set of a query in ascending order or descending order based on one or more columns. By default, the order by clause sorts the data in ascending order. You can also specify the sorting order for each column individually. So let us go ahead and let us see how to use order by clause with lots of examples. So here let us open the command line interface to connect to the MySQL database. So go to the search bar, just type cmd and open the command prompt over here. And here let me align this window properly so that it can be visible. And here in order to connect to the MySQL server, just type the command MySQL followed by -u for username, just type root as a username, -p for password, hit enter, and here let us give the password and hit enter. And now we connected to the MySQL server successfully. Next here let us type the command show databases to see what are the databases are there. And here we have a company database. So let us drop this database and let us recreate it. Drop database and then followed by the database name company. Next let us create a database that is company again. So just type create database followed by the database name company. Next let us use this company database by using use statement, use company. Perfect. Now we are using company database. Next let us create a table called employees and let us insert some sample data so that we can able to use the order by clause, right? So here I am going to quickly create an employees table with some sample data. So here create table statement to create employees table with ID, first name, last name, email, salary, department, columns, and here insert into statement to insert the 6 rows in a employees table. Okay, next let us go ahead and let us see what is the data in the employees table. So here let us type select star from employees, and there we go. You can see the employees table with 6 records. Now the setup is ready. Next let us use the order by clause to sort the result set of a query in ascending order or descending order based on one or more columns. By default, the order by clause sorts the data in ascending order, but we can specify the sorting order for each column individually. So here let us see how to sort the employees by salary in ascending order first, and then later we'll see how to sort the employees by salary in a descending order. Okay, so here just type the command select star from employees, hit enter, and then let us have an order by clause over here, order by. So we are going to sort the employees by salary. So here let us specify salary column name. So here order by is basically a keyword and we can make this keyword in a uppercase. You can use either lowercase or uppercase because the MySQL is a no case sensitive. So just to distinguish between the keywords and the table name columns, I'm just using the keywords in uppercase over here. Next hit enter, and here you can see the result set over here. The employees are sorted by salary in a ascending order. You can see the amount over here, 15,000, 15,000, 20, 20, 20, 25. Alright, so this is how we use order by clause to sort the records in ascending order. And notice here in the query we haven't specified the sorting order like ascending or descending. By default the order by clause sort the rows by column in a ascending order, and that is what we can see over here. Next you can also specify the sorting order explicitly. For example, here let us say select star from employees and then order by salary ascending. So you can explicitly specify the sorting order like this. Okay, if you hit enter it gives the same result. So it is giving error like it says so order. So we had a typo. So let me re-enter the command select star from employees, order by salary ascending, and hit enter, and here you can see the same result. Okay, the employees are sorted by salary in a ascending order. Next let us see how to sort the employees by salary in a descending order. So just type select star from employees and then order by salary and specify the sorting order descending and hit enter, and here you can see the result set, and the employees are successfully sorted in a descending order by their salary. You can see here 25, 20, 20, 20, 15, 15. Alright, so this is how we can use order by clause to sort the records in a table. Next, let us see how to use order by clause to sort the data by multiple columns. So you can sort the result set by multiple conditions. For example, let us sort the employees by department in ascending order and then last name in descending order. For example, here just type select star from employees and then order by. So let us first sort the employees by department in ascending order, department in ascending order. Next, sort those employees by last name in a descending order. So here last underscore name in descending order. Well, notice here the result set. The employees are sorted by department in ascending order, and then in each department the employees are sorted by their last name in a descending order. For example, here you can see department H. So you can see the alphabetical letters. So departments are sorted in ascending order. So H comes first and then I and then S. And notice the employee's last name in each department. The employees are sorted by last name in a descending order. You can see the alphabetical letters S and then J. And in our IT department you can see S, F. Okay, so this order by clause first sort the employees by department in ascending order, and then it sort the employees from each department by last name in a descending order. So this is how the order by clause works with multiple columns. Next, let us see how to use where clause and order by clause together. So basically we are going to write a SQL statement to retrieve the employees by department and sort those employees by their salary in a descending order. Okay, so here just type the statement select star from employees and then add a where clause to add the condition where department equal to IT. So this statement retrieves the employees who belongs to IT department. Next, we need to sort these employees by their salary in a descending order. For that, let us add the order by clause, order by salary in a descending order, and next hit enter. And here if you can see the output over here, we got the list of employees who belongs to IT department, and these employees are sorted by salary in a descending order. You can see 25 comes first and then 20. Alright, so this is how we use order by clause to sort the data in ascending and descending order. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.